Hello, hello. Yes, I got clothes on, but I just came in from shopping and I was too tired yesterday to show y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all real quick how to do the homemade limeade. So I brought this today and this, so it's gonna be a weird taste. This is peach. I ain't want to really don't like strawberry like that. So we'll see how it tastes. Oh, did I show you? I got it from Walmart. I was trying to find something that didn't have no because this one is full of sugar. So maybe I was better off using my little bit of water, which seems to be a shortage down here for some reason. Nobody has it. Like I feel like striking or something. Ooh, chocolate caramel cream pie. And then, but this don't have no alcohol, in case y'all was wondering. And don't forget the peach syrup. I should have brought the ice tray out. That might have been a little bit too much. All right, so also this is gonna be a weird limeade because I'm about to put white grape peach in there. I'm just tired of drinking sodas. So now I think that's the spatula thing right there. Put the lid back on here, and I think you gotta refrigerate this after you open it. Yep. Let's see what this thing is hitting for. I ain't put no sugar in there now. Or maybe I might need to add some sugar. Or too much. So let's see what this joint is hitting for. Sugar. It's sweet, but I like my stuff dangerously sweet. Sugar. And I ain't buying no sugar today. That's the only one I got, so I definitely gotta get some more. I don't know if I showed y'all this before. No chemicals. The agave, that's how you pronounce it. Only put a little bit now, it's all on my hand. I gotta cut that salmon up. All right, let's do one more stirring. Big difference. Now I need ice, but I'm gonna end this because sister is tired and I gotta cut up this salmon. Because if I don't do it today, you can only keep it in the refrigerator like 3 days. So I see y'all. Let's see, let's say it's Sunday, Monday, probably like Tuesday or Wednesday. Oh, and thanks for all the subscribers. Oh my God. You guys, man.